Good morning to all of you. Myself Syed Arifullah Hussaini will discuss on ICT tools, that is information and communication technology tools. In 21st century, teaching learning methodology has changed into digitalization, that is from conventional classrooms to Google Classrooms. And with the advent of COVID-19 pandemic, it has become essential to adopt these technologies. One of the ICT tools for conducting online exam through Google Forms. To create Google Form, first you have to log in through your Gmail account and then open a new tab. In that you type in the URL forms.google.com. After typing forms.google.com, you will get start a new form, this symbol. To this you click and here you will get a untitled form. At the top you can see there are two things are there, questions and responses. So first we'll go for the questions. For untitled one, you can keep the subject name, sessional, whether it's first sessional or second, and then you can type here the duration of exam. First we'll type the subject name. Google Forms are basically for webinar invitations, feedbacks, for conducting quiz and exams. Now as I have said here, first we have to type the subject name, then in the second row sessional, third sessional exam, duration you can keep 15 or 30 minutes depending upon the marks you are allotting. The next one is the, here you can see, you can write the name of the candidate here. Then after writing name of the candidate, here you click short answer for this one. Next, then you click the plus symbol again for creating for roll number or hall ticket number. After writing roll number, here also you have to click short answer. Then next go for add. Like that, whatever you want the information from the student you can add. Now here the questions you can start from first question, you can copy from the word and directly you can paste here, and here you have to select multiple choice question. So after typing first question, you have to give the answers, multiple choice question, first one, then again add option, second option, like that you go and give 4 different options. After giving 4 multiple options, now you have to allot the marks for each question. Each question carries 1 mark or 2 marks, like that. For that you have to go into the settings. Here this is the setting symbols. In this settings you can find 3 things: general, presentation and quizzes. First, in general you click the collect email addresses, then require sign in, limit to 1 response. We can have all the email addresses, automatically we'll get that one from the students, and limit to 1 response means the student cannot feed the multiple times. Once if he clicks, then it gets locked. Next one is the presentation. In this one you can shuffle the question order. For different students it will go in different questions, the order will be differ. Third one, you click here, make this as a quiz. In this one, immediately after each submission, release the grades. You don't make this one. Next one, you click this one. Later, after manual review, we can give the marks to the students. Next, responded as you missed questions, correct questions, and this one same. Now here you save this one. After saving, now you have got this answer key here, where you have to click here, and out of these 4 options, the correct one which you feel is you have to feed that one. the tick one, and the points marks. Each question carries, like as I have said, you can give 1 mark or 2 marks, like that. Then done here. You click the done. Now this correct choice has been saved. Next, like that, you need to go on add. Here the plus symbol is there. The second question, same thing here. So by clicking the add button, we have added the second question also, and we have given the point, and then afterwards you have to click the done button. After entering all the questions one by one, you can go for here. There is a preview button where you can see, like here, pharmaceutical formulation subject name, third sessional exam duration 15 minutes, email address, name of the candidate, which are the following characteristics. Like here I have entered 2 questions and it has came here the roll number of the student, and like if you submit this one, first they have, as it is mandatory to enter all this one for the students, it will go. This is the preview bed. You close this one, again come to the main page. After entering all the questions, you go to the responses. In these responses you can see here accepting responses. To this one you click like this. Not accepting responses, message for the students. Here you can see this form is no longer accepting responses. Here you can type like the date and time when the Google form or the link gets activated. Like for example, on Monday 10 AM to 10:15 AM. See, like this, Monday 10 AM to 10:15 AM the link gets activated. Whenever you want to conduct the exam, the day and link you can send, and here there is a send button, you can send here. If you send this link here, send via, here you click this one, you will get the URL. Shorten the URL, and here there is a copy. You copy this URL and send it in the WhatsApp group, students WhatsApp group, where they, if they click also, it will not open, because as you have fixed the timing 10 AM to 10:15 AM only, the link will open on Monday. So on Monday 10 AM you have to come and open the laptop, and then you have to accept the responses. You have to click. Then after 10:15 AM you need to close this one. Thereby the students will not further cannot enter the responses. Here there is an Excel sheet where all the data will get collected in an Excel sheet. With marks, here with roll numbers, all the email IDs, with score, everything you will get collected. If you want to see the form again the next day, again you have to open the Gmail account, again go for the site tab, new tab. In that one you have to type forms.google.com, where you need not to start a new form. You have to see the recent form which has been saved here, the one which you have prepared. That recent forms you have to see, and you have to activate that button for starting the exam. Thank you for watching.